Spot welding with a laser is an excellent method for preventing distortion of the material. But how will you precisely adjust the application time? Electron 1.5 comes with a mobile app that provides detailed control over the machine. In this test, we used 1.5mm mild steel on 1.5mm mild steel and aimed for the laser application time to be precisely 300 milliseconds. This ensures welding consistency regardless of the operator. No matter how long you press the trigger, Electron will apply 300 milliseconds. This application time can be easily adjusted for different materials or end result expectations. We will be happy to assist if you would like to learn more about the details of laser welding.